Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Webull to a cash account. First, it's crucial to understand the distinction between a margin and a cash account. A cash account requires you to have sufficient funds before trading. Before initiating the change, make sure all your open positions are closed. Additionally, withdraw any unsettled funds to avoid delays in the process. This preparation ensures a smooth transition. Once your account is ready, open the Webull app and head to the main menu. You'll typically find this by tapping the three lines or your profile icon. From there, look for Transfers or Account Management. Within this section, you should see an option to change account type. Tap on this to proceed with your request. After locating the option, you'll be prompted to confirm your decision to switch to a cash account. Take a moment to review the terms and conditions presented. It's important to understand the implications of this change. Once you agree, submit your request. Be aware that the processing period can take several business days, so patience is key. Remember, a cash account means you can only trade with funds you actually possess, eliminating margin calls. While you won't be using borrowed money, be mindful that certain day trading rules like the pattern day trader rule might still apply depending on your account value. For more details and other great deals, check the description below. Also, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.